Today, we're going to learn about variables in Java, what they are, how to use them, and why they're essential for storing information in your programs. What are variables? Think of variables as containers in your code. They're used to store data values so your program can remember and work with that data later. Before you use a variable, you need to tell Java what type of data it will hold. Here are some of the most common data type in Java. Int stores integers. Double to store numbers with decimal digits. Char stores single characters. Boolean stores either true or false value. String stores text. How to declare variables in Java? Here's the basic syntax. First, write the data type, then variable name, and end the line with semicolon. Like here, our data type is int, variable name is my number, and end with semicolon. To assign a value to the variable, like here, variable name first equal value, or you can declare and assign it in one line. First, write the data type, then the variable name, followed by an equal sign, the value, and end with a semicolon. Open your project and go to main.java. First, I want to remove this additional information. We don't need them. Here, I want to create an integer variable and double char single quotes boolean and string double quotes here. I want to mention that for char values you should use single quotes. For string values use double quotes. Also keep in mind that Java is case sensitive, so my text and my text are considered two different variables. That's it for this episode. Now you know how to declare and use variables in Java. Thanks for watching. You can find all the course materials on my GitHub. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support is appreciated. See you in the next episode.